Welcome to Simply Finance, your ultimate source for learning about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, DeFi, and other related topics in a simple and accessible way. Today, I'm thrilled to delve into the story of Binance, a trailblazing cryptocurrency exchange that has had a major impact on the industry. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ, who was a software developer with a background in trading and finance. CZ had previously founded and sold a high-frequency trading software company before he discovered the world of cryptocurrency. CZ's vision for Binance was simple: to create a platform that would be fast, secure, and user-friendly, and that would allow people to easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies. He wanted to create an exchange that would be accessible to everyone, from beginners to advanced traders, and that would offer a wide range of trading pairs. Binance launched in July 2017 with an ICO, initial coin offering, which raised $15 million in just 14 days. The Binance coin, BNB, was created as a utility token that could be used to pay for fees on the platform, and it quickly became one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market. Its growth was explosive. Within just a few months, it became the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume, surpassing even established players like Bittrex and Bitfinex. The reason for this was its fast trading engine, low fees, and wide range of trading pairs. In 2018, Binance suffered a major security breach in which hackers stole 7,000 bitcoins worth $40 million at the time. CZ responded quickly by freezing all withdrawals and launching a secure asset fund for users, SAFU, that would cover any losses incurred by users. The incident showed that Binance was committed to its users' security and was willing to take responsibility for any breaches. Despite all of this, it continued to expand rapidly, launching new products and services such as Binance Futures, a platform for trading futures contracts, and Binance Launchpad, a platform for launching new cryptocurrency projects. Binance also expanded geographically, launching new exchanges in countries such as Uganda, Jersey, and Singapore. As Binance grew, it also faced regulatory challenges from governments and financial institutions. In 2019, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, issued guidelines that required cryptocurrency exchanges to implement strict KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering policies. Binance responded by partnering with companies such as IdentityMind and Elliptic to enhance its compliance measures. It also implemented a token burn mechanism in which it would use 20% of its profits each quarter to buy back and burn BNB tokens. This reduced the total supply of BNB tokens, increasing their value and incentivizing users to hold them. In 2020, Binance launched the Binance Smart Chain, a blockchain platform that was designed to be faster and cheaper than Ethereum. The Binance Smart Chain enabled developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, that could be used for various purposes such as gaming, finance, and social networking. The launch of the Binance Smart Chain coincided with the boom in decentralized finance, DeFi, which enabled users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings, lend and borrow assets, and trade in decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Binance was quick to recognize the potential of DeFi and launched a range of DeFi products on its platform, such as yield farming, liquidity pools, and decentralized exchanges. As the cryptocurrency market continued to grow, competition among exchanges became more intense. Binance faced stiff competition from other major players such as Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. To stay ahead, Binance continued to innovate and expand its range of products and services. Binance also recognized the need for education in the cryptocurrency space and launched the Binance Academy, a platform that provides free educational resources on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The Binance Academy covers a wide range of topics, from beginner's guides to advanced trading strategies. It also launched the Binance Charity Foundation, a nonprofit organization that uses blockchain technology to support charitable causes. The foundation has launched a range of initiatives, such as providing aid to disaster-stricken areas, supporting education programs, and promoting gender equality. In 2020, Binance launched the Binance Card, a Visa debit card that allows users to spend their cryptocurrency holdings at millions of merchants worldwide. The Binance Card makes it easy for users to access their crypto assets and use them for everyday purchases. In 2021, the cryptocurrency market witnessed a craze for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that can be bought and sold on blockchain platforms. Binance quickly recognized the potential of NFTs and launched its own NFT marketplace, allowing users to buy and sell NFTs with ease. The Binance coin, BNB, has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market, with a market capitalization of over $50 billion at the time of writing. The BNB is used to pay for fees on the Binance platform and is also used as a store of value by many investors. Binance has come a long way since its launch in 2017. Today, it is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with millions of users and a wide range of products and services. Binance's vision for the future is to become a one-stop shop for all cryptocurrency-related activities, from trading and investing to payments and charitable donations. As with any investment, there are risks associated with using Binance. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile asset class, and the value of your holdings can go up or down rapidly. It is important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in our next video.